Sony WH-1000XM3 wireless noise-cancelling headphones are a good comparison with the Bose QC 35-2 headphones, although they generally have a similar price of around $350. However, right now Newegg Flash offers $70 off on the black pair of Sony XM3 alone this weekend. That reduces its price to $278. But there is also the possibility that they sell before the end of the sale. Considering how rare these hearing aids go on sale, you will not want to miss this opportunity if it is a pair that has interested you. These wireless headphones are charged via USB-C and feature atomic pressure optimization that can be adjusted for noise cancellation at higher altitudes, along with a fast charge feature that gives you 5 hours of playback after only 10 minutes of loading. It is also equipped with multiple microphones and can last up to 30 hours on a single charge. Adaptive sound control will allow you to adjust the amount of ambient noise you want to hear at any given time, which can be especially useful in cases such as walking down the street where you may want to hear the vehicles that fall on you.